Off-road steep switchbacks and mountain grade curves reveal the wonders of this place. We just hit dirt road, so that means Aaron's going to drive now.
I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching our Mount Graham specials. As we're off-roading throughout this section, you're going to just see a tremendous amount of elevation change. There's a whole lot of switchbacks. These mountains are known as the Sky Islands. They rise right out of the desert in a completely isolated ecosystem that's totally like a different world. And right now, the Pinal Mountains, right here on top of Mount Graham, are the highest and one of the largest sky islands. As the elevation changes, you'll be able to see the wildlife zones changes. Earlier when we were down lower, still on the streets, you saw in our previous videos where the oak grasslands gave way to the tall pine trees. Up here where we're off-roading, you're gonna see a lot of that. This road has a lot of history as well. It was built during the Great Depression by the Civilian Conservation Corps. If you saw our other video on the Sanchez Civilian Conservation Corps, that was a pretty incredible set of ruins. If you haven't had a chance, go back and check out that video.
As we're driving along on the mountain, it is raining. It's actually raining this time.
There's going to be a few stops. We're going to take several photos along the way as we're going here. Gidget and I are so grateful to be able to share these locations with you, and we're so grateful for the people who've reached out in the comments and said nice things about us, nice things about the channel, and even some of the people who have been not so nice. We appreciate your comments too. Hi everybody!
Oh no! This is the part where they're going to tell you to like, share, and subscribe.
I am so grateful for my father leaving me both the Jeep and the maps, and the opportunity to see places that I never even knew existed, even in my own state. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have a great week.
Did you know that over 35 famous Western movies and TV shows were filmed right here at the historic Empire Ranch? From 310 to Yuma to the outlaw Josie Wales. This place is packed with Hollywood history, but that's not all. Empire Ranch is also a living piece of the Old West with over a century of ranching heritage. Join us as we explore this incredible Arizona landmark.